abanyeshengero bagira ngo bwahati amashomero ngataho sente zirengesereza abazaire okutwara beje umutayo zitari zimwe na zimwe no ministry y'ebwegese yarigireyo ikahabura uko amashomero gashemere kutwariza abazaire gukira minonga mu ntaya yezi eziri kumanywa nka trips
of education and sports actually issued new guidelines on the issue of children, visits being organized for children. And despite these guidelines, but also other social activities in schools, despite issuing these guidelines, we have seen schools continuing to organize tours for children from long distances, and most of them are return journeys. So, Right Honourable Speaker, the Minister then pledged to bring a statement to update this House on the new guidelines. And I also want to know why, despite these guidelines, the school tours, which are okay, but the long distance tours have continued.
Some time back again, to do with the SACHURA, we raised an issue of transportation of children in the morning schools. You find kids being picked at 4 a.m., 3 a.m., and then when you visit schools at 8 a.m., all of them are sleeping in school, in classes. Then you say, why wouldn't they be left to sleep and be picked at 7?
Muringo nuko gumwe abanyeshengero bagira ngo amashomero gamwe garemere mu muzego kutwara beje ahabirore amwe na motoka zikuzere kandi ubu nibabatwara kare mnonga uteri no kugira ngo ikintu kitabeje mu kabi.
Nyankore no bagira ngo okugenda no kurebesa kandi okureba no kwegesa. So kutwara abana kubiho mu mashomero kubatwara kuza kureba ibikuba handi ni kimumbi kubashomesa. Konka gire kushanga twashanga ngo amashomero na munonga gatarga government migapakira abana b'abantu icyo kubanza abakiro bato munonga kandi babatwara imyanya ya hare munonga kandi bashabe sente nyingi kandi babatwara kubi
abana batwarwa batakurambura so nicetagisa ngo government yamanyire ngo abana umuringo gumwe gwabo go kurambura no kutamburira umbyiruka hakiri irunda regional transport ushanga ngo umutamweje tumanya ngo ni Rubindi primary school
icyo kutwara abana harore umwihangomu shekwa n'inhemerezo bwashaka kwasagara gukora rore nezo mushenyi rore nezenku rore nezente rore tiziriza abantu
kugarukamo abanyeshengera aba minister wihanga w'ibigese abe n'imizano ne Bopita Ogwanga yashoborera ngo ministry y'ibigese ikatahengenderwaho ko kwabeji bashobere kutwarizwa amashomero ukukira minunga umbwire uwo kutebekanisa entire years gunagira ngo nicyo busasi ngo harwa amashomero agakiremera imwe go kunyunyuta abazaire nango teriho no kutwariza kubi abana.
SACHURA was very clear on even what kind of transport our children should use when they are going for study tours and which kind of study tours. We had even given approvals to be undertaken by the district education officers for purposes of regulating these study tours, because you're also aware that some schools are making it a business. And that's why we said there must be the involvement of the district education officer in terms of clearing whether it is a study tour or it is entertainment tours.
Mu kwezi kwa gatanu mwaka ugu ministry y'ibigese ikashoze ngenderwaho iz'amashomero gine kuratara gabangaza kutebekanisa intaye yeze ziri kumanywa nka trips. Muri yebi ministry y'ibigese ikahabura ngo amashomero aga gashemere kweto rukiko rw'abazaire bekerizane ahanshongeji n'ahabeje bari kuza kutaya utiriho na sente zibashemere ku bana bashashira ubutatwara abana bato umuzaire kwandikira ishomere cyandiko cyo kwikiriza ngo umwana we atwara umuntaya yezi utiriho n'ishomero ukutahengenda.
It goes back to parenting. If you want your child to have a comfortable life, go to school at the time when they are supposed to, don't go for that.
go for a transport, a mode of transport that you're sure of. So we cannot put a blame on the ministry for that. Next item.
Makura gagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano, awatayari Wisdom Kampala.